Hello. Good morning, everyone. What is going on? So, CPI data, guys, came in extremely bullish, right? We do got Jay Powell speaking at 2 p.m. Eastern time today. We're at all-time highs. I don't want to be trading up here, to be honest. Levels I am interested in is going to be 542. Why? It's a psychological level. If you're looking at my chart right now, you see how I have a bunch of lines up here with zero, and we've never been up at these levels before, okay? So what I started with is 542, 541, big level, 540. Next one, 539, 538, and then the previous closing price at 536.95. I also made a floor here at 540.66. And that's pretty much it, guys. That is pretty much it. Actually, 540.78. This is what I'm looking at right now. I don't see too many trades at the moment. Like, I want PCP. And we're far ways away from that, right? We're almost $4 away or $5 away from PCP previous closing price. So I'm going to be watching 542. If you're new here, what I teach guys is like one of the best strategies that I am personally like trading the most is bringing contracts from at the money to deep in the money. So if we break 542, I want 542 calls and bring them in the money to the 541s. This is why I put full dollar amounts. SPY respects full dollar amounts. Usually when we break up to $1 or break down to $1, the next candle goes to retest that level as a support or a resistance level. So I really like trading from at the money back in deep in the money. So 542 is the first levels I'm going to be paying attention to today. And then this floor that we have right here, we have 3 touch points at 540.78. We reject that. We'll most likely go all the way down to 540. We reject 540. You get the deal. Keep going down $1. We have no touch points in this level. I do like shorts until pre-market support, right? Pre-market resistance around the 536.37 to the 537.70s level. That's personally what I like at the moment. If you're on YouTube, please like, comment, just to help out the algorithm, guys. I appreciate it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That is pretty much it today. Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Dimitri. What's going on?
Good, man. Just happy I didn't swing puts.
Me too. Calls were banked. 5 points. Jesus.
All puts will be destroyed. I'm not going to be trading today. I'm just here for support. If anybody has any questions.
Here for some moral support.
Yeah, I'm not trading.
I don't. Unless we get like
made
some
enough.
really good trades.
I'm happy. I made enough for the week.
Yeah, I like 542. Let's see how we react to 542. I wouldn't mind bringing 542 puts in the money. Let's wait to see. Just keep in mind, guys, very difficult day to trade today. Today is one of the best days to not trade. We got just had CPI data come out. It's bullish as hell. That's why we haven't even dropped yet. And then we have Jay Powell speaking at 2 p.m. Eastern time, 2 hours before market close. Going to be volatile. Any trades that I end up getting into are educated YOLO trades. Okay, do not go heavy size. I'm not going heavy size. I just want to hit the resistance potentially, depending on this price action, 542, and I'll try some shorts there. And that is it. How was everyone's day yesterday? You guys all make some good money? Hit some good trades?
We do have a uptrend, guys. I just noticed it from yesterday's lows, just connected. It's beautiful on the 1 minute. It's like 2 touch points from yesterday, and 2, 3 touch points in the pre-market. If you're looking at my screen, you'll understand. Once that trend line breaks or that trend line touches, then I'll start trading. I'm not touching this.
Remember,
Just pure
bulls
gamble.
will most likely be taking profits market open, guys. But I could see a lot of people trying to get into shorts, and they're going to do one last pump before any pullback. So let's wait to see. 30 seconds. Again, if you're following a trade that any of us are getting into, guys, please, please, please size in very small and know that it is an educated YOLO trade. Okay, I'm strictly trading price action today. First trade I see is 542 puts in the money. I'm gonna try it. Who knows how it goes? I'm going June 20th contracts today. Buy myself some time. Good job, Super Dad Dusty. We're just waiting. Right now we have no levels here. I'm going to be playing 542. That's it. As I said, it's going to be a little bit of a YOLO trade, so keep that in mind. The white line on my chart that we just bounced off of, guys, just so you know, this is the 5-minute time frame, and that is the 9 EMA. Below that, I got the 13 EMA, the 21 EMA, the 30 EMA, the 48 EMA, 50 moving average, 100 moving average, 200 EMA. That's how my chart's lined up at the moment. When you see these EMA lines all wide, I don't buy off these lines. If I'm in a trade, I'm usually selling at these lines. They're just basic moving averages. And if I'm scalping a price action trade, I just know on the 5-minute time frame my first level to be selling at, the first level of resistance or support. Dimitri, you got your new setup going?
That trade.
Hmm?
What do you mean my setup?
Your PC.
Oh, I don't know how to do that split screen bullshit. I gotta call you after that.
Oh, okay. You're going to have to run to Walmart or Best Buy.
Why?
You have to grab a USB-C HDMI dongle
Okay.
to make it split screen.
Okay. good later. Just text me what do I buy, and that's it.
Mm-hmm. Very slow movement at the moment. CPI data, again, guys, it came in good. It came in extremely bullish, right? We don't want to get overly bearish right now, even though we have a bunch of room to retest to. Let's wait for some confirmation. I want to see 542 hit, in my opinion, during more trading hours. If you're in shorts, the first level that I'd be selling at is 540.78. If you're looking at my chart, that big thick line right here, this line right here, why we have 4 touch points and 3 wicks of support. If you're in shorts, this is going to be a good level to start trimming at if we do get that drop. Dimitri, what are your indicators saying? Where's the MACD?
Just filling up the gas. We're gonna shoot up higher. We're just filling up the gas. We're gonna go.
This is right at my 5-minute VWAP.
Conditions are bullish.
Super bullish. News is super bullish, guys. Don't just try to short just because we're extended. Even though we do have like a lot of potential downside, we're holding. Bottom of the channel 540.78. Top of the channel 542. We're literally in between both of those, so I'm waiting for one of those to hit to try a trade. Today is the best day to take off and not trade.
Also, guys, the IV for same-day contracts is very inflated. Do not play same-day contracts.
Yeah, no same days today, guys. I currently have June 20th, 542 puts on my screen. Everyone is going to be trying to short right now, guys, especially at market open. So just
100%.
patience. I want a big pop through 542, and I'll bring 542 back in the money. That's the trade I see at the moment. We have no key levels up here. This is going to be a YOLO price action trade. Just keep that in mind. Size and small. I'm not hitting a full position. I'll probably hit 40 contracts, 40% size. Okay, guys, I'm getting ready to get a starter position right now. 542 puts. I'm in right now. June 20th, 542 puts. I'm in right now at $3.19. I'm in extremely light at the moment, guys. I was just looking at the 30-minute time frame. We have a previous doji on the 30-minute. So we should see some downside potentially. If not, this could keep rocketing. So tight stop here. I'm going against the trend because we just ripped 5 points on SPY. So my risk to reward. My first price target that we have, if this trade works out, I'll probably be taking profits at 541, almost $1 down. And here it is. This is 542. Let's see how we react here. First 5-minute candle to close above 542 amount. I'm waiting for 542.50. I'm going to double down right now. Brought my cost average down 10 cents. And then I'm going to be looking for the first level of 541.91. I'm in extremely light, guys. I'm still not even in half a position size.
one single red candle on the 1 minute. Zero reason to, but don't trade, guys. Guys have any questions? I'm not trading today. Stupid trading today. Look at the 1 minute time frame. Not a single red candle.
I'm looking for 541.94 just to retest the previous resistance, but there's a chance this may just keep going. I would personally, before you guys start shorting, I would wait for the first 30-minute red candle to wait for the confirmation. This thing is stupid. We didn't even get a retest of 542. Very, very strong.
Guys, I'm gonna be adding on to my NVIDIA shorts. Shares. Once we reach that top of that level. And that's it. That's all I'm doing. NVIDIA has more room to go up, Carter.
This roof right here, guys, that we have at 541.93. This is the level I'm looking to retest. The previous resistance on the 1 and the 5-minute time frame. And then once we hold this support, we just know that it's probably going to rip up another dollar.
There's zero reason to have a starter loss.
For what?
No, never mind.
Use a 30-minute time frame. Make sure you guys are utilizing the 30-minute time frame. Wait for the first 30-minute candle for confirmation. Thousand gods. I'm waiting to see for at least the previous resistance for support. Remember, we're using, since we have no key levels, what I do is I use full dollar and half dollar amounts. So 542, 542.50, 543, 543.50, etc. But today's a good day just to not even take a trade. I'm short bias until we at least retest, right? The previous resistance from the pre-market, but that always could happen later on because a million people are going to be shorting this right now. So they can just keep popping this. And then once all the bears get faked out, they're going to drop it. But the news is bullish. Buying calls up here is not the smartest thing to be doing at all. Even if you're bullish, you want to wait for this pre-market roof to hold as a support before even getting into calls as well. It doesn't have to retest, but it's just better confirmation seeing a previous resistance hold as a support. And the only levels that we have down below is 542. We touched in the pre-market from that first original pop. So that's the level that I'm watching, paying attention to. And you can even, I'm going to put a line here. 542.50. But right here, right under 542 is going to be my level. This is where you can get bullish once we hold this level as a support. Obviously, it's bullish. Every time frame is extremely bullish. We only have one key level to be working off of right now, and we want to at least confirm the previous resistance as a support to remain bullish for the rest of the day. Sometimes, like yesterday, you didn't retest certain areas, so that's what we're waiting for. That dip bought up very, very quickly. Extremely, extremely bullish engulfing candle at the moment. Look at that. As soon as we had a nice big bearish candle, the next candle ate the entire candle up, which means if you're in shorts, this is the time to stop out. It's going to continue ripping. Me, I'm not buying until we break or retest 542. That's it. I want to see this act as a support. We have another 30-minute candle coming in soon. It's probably going to pop. The 30-minute candle right now is starting to look extremely. If it closes up here, it's going to be bullish, and we're probably going to get a trend continuation on. But we have 0 key levels from this area. It's best to do absolutely nothing, guys. You want calls? You wait for 542 to act as a support. Don't just keep chasing. Even on the higher time frames, T4 542, right? You want to see this before buying calls. I don't recommend buying calls right now. I also don't recommend buying shorts right now. You want to wait for at least some history to repeat itself, right? We have confirmation of a resistance, which was 542. It's exactly where we stopped in the morning. Our next candle ended up stopping at 541.93. You want to see a candle come back and retest this level before getting bullish. Too bullish, like bullish for to actually take a trade for calls. You want to see the previous resistance hold as a support on any time frame, right? Whatever time frame you choose to be trading. That price target's a while away. And now we're watching 542.50, right? SPY respects full dollar and half dollar amounts. This is what we are paying attention to. Remember, hold off on shorts. Wait for the 5-minute confirmation. Just wait for the 5-minute confirmation. That's all. We haven't even tested the 90 EMA in a little bit. This is why I really want to see this level retested. This could be a great entry for calls too. Dimitri, what's the break of structure you got?
Break of structure is 541.23.
541.23. Jeez, that's a while away.
That's at the low of day. They're not gonna drop it. They're gonna drop it at 2 o'clock. There's no reason to trade, guys. You can't control yourself and not trading. You're gonna blow up eventually. I promise you. Zero reason to trade.
$542 is the first level. That's it. We need to see that. $30 set up to be bullish. This is a 30-minute time frame I'm watching right now. Uh, we want to see what I like to do. The previous close of the 30-minute candle, I like to watch to see how we react. This is the second time we're retesting it. This candle goes any more red, we'll probably will sell off to 542. They're fighting it out right now. Let's see what's gonna happen. $542 is just a good, decent level to be buying calls, but I don't know if they're gonna give it to us. Come on, give us some levels already. Do a tiny pullback. We're making higher lows, higher highs on the 1. Where we are right now, looks like we're about to make a new high of day, potentially. As soon as we get back under 542.50, I could see us sell off to 542. But as of right now, we've been making higher highs and higher lows. Everyone is going to be shorting this right now. Everyone, they're probably going to just keep popping this. See that? Higher highs, higher lows. We ended up making a higher low to what? Make a higher high right now. There you go. They're not going to let this shit fall right now. Everyone's shorting the crap out of this. Stay away of puts, guys, until the first 30-minute candle. Wait for some confirmation. I highly recommend no one trade though. But that's it. Every dip is being crazy bought up. All right, YouTube. I'm gonna shut the stream down. I don't see too much. I'll be probably back on around 1:30 ish, and we'll see where to go from there. But thank you for you guys for being here, and I'll see everyone tonight. Take care.